Good morning, dear friends. Hope you are all doing good. So today we are going to make fake salata. This is Greek lentil salad with the addition of feta cheese and vegetables. In Greece they also make this lentil salad with the addition of fruits, but today we will make the one with vegetables. This is a very filling and nutritious salad as it has got lentils, vegetables, cheese, everything. So it makes a perfect lunch actually. Nice and filling lunch. You don't need anything else on the side. So let's prepare this and enjoy. Fake salata, Greek lentil salad with feta cheese. For this we have taken whole masood lentils 1 cup. I have soaked them for a couple of hours, boiled with little salt, and keep the texture grainy, don't make them mushy. So do not use pressure cooker. Just boil them in a pan with water, adding little salt. This is how the lentils look. After soaking, they become almost double in quantity. And here we have yellow capsicum or bell pepper, about ½ cup. Red capsicum or bell pepper, ½ cup again. 8 olives. You could use black olives also. Cherry tomatoes, about 10. Feta cheese, 1 tablespoon or as required. Salt to taste. And here I have taken garlic granules, ½ teaspoon. You could use fresh garlic also. Rocket leaves, a small bunch. Now instead of rocket leaves, you can also use dill leaves or mint and coriander together, or parsley, whatever you like. And here we have for the dressing, olive oil, 3 tablespoons, red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons. You can use apple cider vinegar also if you don't have this. Crushed black pepper, ½ teaspoon, and dried oregano, 1 tablespoon. The list is also shared in the description box, you can check it out. Now here I have cut the rocket leaves coarsely into bigger pieces and put them in cold water, and I'm going to wash them with few drops of veggie wash. Any greens that you are using in the salad, it's better to use this liquid. Keep it for a couple of minutes, few minutes, and then rinse again with 2-3 waters, changing several times. You wash them well. Now the dressing ingredients, transfer them into a bottle. Here goes the oregano, black pepper, vinegar, olive oil. I have taken pure olive oil. You can also use extra virgin olive oil. Give them a nice shake. This way you can prepare the dressing and keep it ready. Mix it just before serving. Now the olives and cherry tomatoes, you can add them whole, or if you wish you can cut them into halves. Any way you like. So I'm cutting few of them, keeping some full. Half of them I'm cutting into 2 halves. Now transfer all these ingredients into a larger mixing bowl. Now this fake salata, fakes means the whole masoor dal in Greek language. This is made in many different ways with the addition of fruits also, not only vegetables. Now add the garlic and salt as required. Gently mix everything together. Now add the feta cheese. You can add it in the form of cubes or crumbled. Usually feta cheese crumbles very easily. Now give a shake to the prepared dressing and add it. Give it a nice mix. Salad is ready, you can dish it out. By the way, have you subscribed to my channel? If not, please do so and click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications whenever I upload a new video. I hope you are enjoying my recipes. Now garnish this with little crumbled feta cheese and the salad is ready to enjoy. This is such a healthy and nutritious salad, and it's quite filling also. It makes a complete meal by itself. You don't need anything else on the side to pair with it. Friends, thank you for watching. Here are some links from the archives, my old videos. Have a look at them too. Stay tuned for the next recipe. Bye.